Hey everyone, Asset 911 here. Today we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood, but absolutely critical: fire alarm mass notification systems. Whether you're in a school, hospital, or high-rise, these systems do more than just sound alarms. They communicate life-saving information when seconds count. A mass notification system, or MNS, is designed to deliver clear, actionable messages during emergencies. Think fire, active shooter, chemical release, severe weather, you name it. These systems go beyond traditional horns and strobes. They use voice commands, digital signage, even mobile alerts to guide people to safety. In many buildings, the MNS is integrated directly into the fire alarm system. That means when a fire is detected, the system can override standard tones and deliver a voice message like, "A fire emergency has been reported. Please evacuate using the nearest exit." In some cases, especially in military or government facilities, the system prioritizes threats, so a bomb threat message might override a fire alarm. That hierarchy is built into the United Facilities criteria like UFC 4-021-01. Now, here's where it gets interesting. In Canada, you'll often see blue beacon strobes used for mass notification, especially in industrial settings. In Massachusetts, red visual signals are more common, and voice evacuation systems are tightly regulated under NFPA 72. These regional quirks matter. If you're upgrading or designing a system, you need to know what's code compliant locally, not just what looks good on paper. If your building still relies on bells and strobes alone, it might be time for an upgrade. Adding voice capability, integrating with mobile alert platforms, or installing electronic signage can dramatically improve response times. And don't forget intelligibility. A message is only useful if people can hear and understand it, especially in noisy environments. Mass notification systems aren't just tech, they're tools for trust. When people hear a message in a crisis, they act faster and safer. So whether you're a facility manager, safety consultant, or just curious about how these systems work, I hope this gives you a clearer picture. Stay safe, stay informed, and as always, keep asking the right questions.